Have you ever wondered why your stomach makes those loud, rumbling noises when you're hungry? It's not just your body asking for food. The growling sound, called borborygmi, happens because your stomach and intestines are always moving, squeezing, and churning to mix up food, liquid, and digestive juices. When your stomach is empty, there's nothing to muffle these movements, so the sound is louder. Even if you're not eating, your digestive system keeps working, making those familiar rumbles you hear before lunchtime.